Meaning of fluoride.
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 Fluoride. Fluoride is a chemical ion that contains the element fluorine. It is commonly added to water and toothpaste for its dental health benefits, as it can strengthen teeth and prevent cavities. However, excessive consumption of fluoride can lead to a condition known as fluorosis, which can cause discoloration and pitting of the teeth. Additionally, long-term exposure to high levels of fluoride can lead to other health problems, such as bone fractures and cognitive impairment. Therefore, it is important to consume fluoride in moderation to maintain its beneficial effects while minimizing potential risks.